Hey guys, Mobile Geezer back with a very quick unboxing of the Pixel 7. Not the Pixel 7 Pro, just the Pixel 7. Now I had indicated that I wasn't going to pick up either one of the Pixel 7s, but I had looked at my iPhone 12 Pro and realized I had done my comparison, my camera comparison with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which was the main reason I wanted to keep both phones. And then I looked at what value Google would give me for the iPhone 12 Pro. Well, that was $630, which was more than the Pixel 7. So, made it an easy decision. So, just wanted to show you guys that I had it.
Let's do this!
So let's get this opened up and make it a quick unboxing. So here it is in that lemongrass color that I really like a lot. Same as my Pixel Buds. Not the same as my watch so far because I haven't gotten that band yet. We'll see. Of course, the Pixel 7 doesn't have that telephoto lens like the Pro, but for the $300 difference, I can live with that. So let's see if I can power this thing on, and then we'll put it aside and continue what else is in here. Okay, just a SIM tool, which of course I have plenty of, and all the paperwork that nobody reads. And finally a cable and no power brick, which we knew. Okay, so I'll get this set up and get right back to you guys. Meanwhile, I did want to let you guys say that I've got the complete set. I've got the earbuds, I've got the Pixel Watch, not with the same lemongrass color, but I'll probably end up getting it, we'll see. Okay, we're all booted up, still downloading some apps. So I'll just test that Face ID that I just set up since we don't have it on any of the other Pixels. Okay, Face ID works just fine. So, just wanted to show you guys that I had the Pixel 7, and we're going to, of course, do our usual testing, especially with the cameras. And I'll just throw up the specs to let you guys see what that looks like. And as always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And by the way, we all do better when we love each other.